In the vastness of space, billions of years ago, an extraordinary event occurred, the Big Bang. From this moment of unimaginable energy, the universe as we know it was born. Over time, galaxies formed, stars ignited, and planets began to take shape. Among them, our precious Earth. At first, Earth was a barren, hostile world, but slowly life found a way. Tiny organisms thrived in the oceans, paving the path for more complex life forms. Plants spread across the land, bringing life-giving oxygen. Over billions of years, the planet transformed into paradise, a place of balance, beauty, and abundance. This is the world we were given, a world that sustains us all. But the question now is, will we continue to sustain it? Welcome to Imagine Our Connected Earth, a journey that explores the delicate balance of nature and the power we hold to shape our planet's future. In this immersive experience, you will face two choices, two paths that show the consequences of your actions on a global scale. The question is, which path will you choose? Season 1 Destroy. You experience firsthand the destructive power humans can unleash on the environment. Every tree cut down, every resource overexploited causes a ripple effect. The once vibrant landscape becomes to fade. As you clear the forest, the consequences multiply. Rivers dry up, the soil loses its life, and the animals that once thrived here vanish. What was once a green paradise turns into a wasteland. The Earth's heartbeat slows. Level brings new challenges, forcing you to confront the harsh reality of environmental degradation. Deserts expand, fires ravage the land, and the once fertile ground turns into lifeless dust. The earth begins to crack from beneath, signaling the imbalance that threatens everything. The future is not written in stone. In Season 2, Reform, you have the power to heal the damage done. With every tree you plant, life begins to return. Restoration takes time, but it brings new hope. As you nurture the land, plants grow, animals return, and the skies clear. Every act of care helps rebalance the Earth's ecosystem. With your effort, the planet thrives once more. Each level challenges you to rebuild what was lost, to plant seeds of hope and renew life. It's not just about planting trees, it's about restoring harmony. You will witness how the earth, when cared for, can return to its natural state of abundance. The planet is deeply interconnected. Every action has a consequence, for better or worse. Destroy, the world crumbles. Restore, and life returns. This is the message of Imagine Our Connected Earth, a game that mirrors the choices we make every day. The future of our planet lies in our hands. Will we choose to destroy or will we choose to reform? Earth is fragile, its balance delicate. Through this journey, we hope to remind you of the power of your choices. Join us in shaping a connected, sustainable future. Imagine our connected Earth. The Earth story continues with you.